For this recipe, you will need half kg fillet steak cut into strips, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 3 tablespoons tomato puree, 1 tablespoon crushed garlic, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and half a teaspoon of red chili paste. All you need to do is marinate the steak with all the ingredients and leave it overnight. This particular recipe will serve about 2 people. The fresh lemon juice infuses the meat with a bold flavor because as it tenderizes the meat, the juice is able to seep into the meat more easily. Butter has been used in meal prep for a very long time, far longer than oil, and it gives the meal a much richer flavor, but be careful on the amounts you use. This is an excellent recipe for working moms as it can be marinated overnight and cooked in half an hour the next day, ready to be served. To start cooking the steak, you will place 2 tablespoons of butter in a pot and then place the marinated steak into the pot and cook until it is soft. This will usually take about 15 minutes on medium heat. Keep checking the pot to make sure that the steak doesn't burn at the bottom. While the steak is cooking, peel and cut 4 medium potatoes, fry them and keep them aside. To get this dish ready for plating, layer the fries in a casserole dish. Then make sure the steak has been cooked well, and you will notice this when the butter starts separating from the steak. Now you will remove the steak from the stove and place it over the fries. Make sure that you spread the steak evenly over the fries. Doesn't that look delicious already? Yum! Place some pickled jalapeno slices over the steak, and if you think you're brave enough, you can add in more. Now sprinkle some grated sweet milk cheese over and place in a preheated oven 150 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes until the cheese melts. Do let me know if you tried this recipe and what the turnout was. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.